Hey friends, and welcome back to this week's video. I thought I'd give you our review of B&B Hotel at Disneyland Paris, a bit of a room tour and some tips, so let's get to it. The B&B Hotel at Disneyland Paris is one of the partner hotels situated near Disneyland Paris. It is actually the furthest one away. It is a budget-friendly hotel which offers free parking, free Wi-Fi, breakfast included, and a complimentary shuttle service to the parks. It has lots of Disneyland Paris photos up on the walls, as well as a little photo opportunity in the foyer, which we utilised when we arrived. The foyer is a nice open spacious modern design with a Disney boutique shop on the left as soon as you enter. It also has a games arcade that is open 24 hours I believe for your late night gaming. Also, there is a vending machine room with a variety of snacks and drinks available, coffee machines, and also a vending machine with some hotel stay necessities that you may have forgotten. They have microwaves in the room too for you to reheat some food like McDonald's after a long park day. Dinner is available in the Les Halls restaurant where you also have breakfast, and the bar offers drinks and finger foods for all the family. Now let's take a quick little look around the room. We got our room, so we're going to try and find it now. So 3087, this away, let's go. 3087. We have this little code there to try and put it in. So let's try it. 183468 worked. Okay, so this is a I believe it's a double room in the B&B Hotel Disneyland. It was part of the package and everything. We just ordered a double room, and it looks like it's a family room. It's quite a spacious room. We're on the third floor, so the top floor. So as soon as you come in, you just flip you around, and you can see it is absolutely spacious. You got, as soon as you come in, there's a bed to the right. There's a bed in the corner over there, and then there's a double bed in there. I am wearing my space shoes, so you can hear them sucking to the floor as I'm walking around. So on the right hand side, it's a full length mirror there with some lights. Please do not disturb sign. Little stool. You've got a little bed light next to there. There is a socket underneath there. Let's have a quick look on the other side. Nothing there. Got a TV up on the wall there, and then you've got another bed over here with another bedside lamp and another socket underneath. So with the main bed, light switch there, socket underneath, light there, no socket underneath, so we only have one socket there. And then we got the wardrobe area. So there's not a load of hangers really. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, there's 10 hangers, but it's not too bad because like we're not going to be hanging things anyway really. Space underneath to put your luggage there. I have had somebody say, oh, it's a nice little bench to sit on. It's not a bench, it's a shelf. So if you ever see something like that in a wardrobe, it's not a bench. Waste paper bin, waste bin thing. Got a nice little desk area. You do have a hairdryer. Well, we didn't know that there was a hairdryer, but we bought our own. 2 more sockets there. What do we got here? Concierge. So that's pretty cool. You scan that. Another little mirror there with another light. You got the heating control there, and then the bathroom. Oh, another random socket halfway up the wall. So you got the bathroom then, and you got usual toilet, shower, which do not lose your rings down that shower. Some monster's gonna come up through there. The shower, which is facing the wall, that place. Looks like you can have a little foot bath as well. There we go, that's nice. And then a nice big shower there. So there we go, that is the room. Oh, another socket on the wall there. So that is pretty much the room. What do you think?
Yeah, good.
It will do, won't it? It will do.
Nice. We are in a corner room
Oh.
Which they are. The corner rooms are bigger than the normal rooms.
That makes more sense then. So you got these two rooms are quite large. That one looks bigger than this one, and then these two rooms down here also look larger than the rest. And that is that an actual room? So yeah, that's pretty cool. We might, if we got time, we might explore the floor to see if there's any vending machines and things like that on here. But that's pretty cool there. So there we go. That is our room. We did it on the night we arrived this time. Unlike Florida, where we did it about 5 or 6 days in, something like that. But yeah, so we're gonna go and pack now and get ready for bed because we've got a very, very busy 2 days ahead. So, bye guys. We're about halfway through our video, but just wanted to remind you that we do Disney Plus videos every week, as well as different Disney-inspired videos on Saturdays, which include podcasts, movie facts, news, and Disney park tips. We also vlog our Disney adventures, giving you lots of advice along the way. So make sure to click that subscribe button and the notification bell. Why not join our membership, where you will watch our videos before anyone else, get some additional content, badges, and special emotes. Or you can support us by clicking the super thanks button. We greatly appreciate any and all support from you, but let's get back to the video. As I said earlier, it includes breakfast, which is very tasty and fresh. It was much needed to start the day to keep you going for rope drop. There are coffee and juice machines situated at several stations circling the main food area. In this area there is a selection of continental breakfasts, so you'll have meats, fruits, breads, muffins, croissants, porridge, omelettes and more. They change the breakfasts slightly each day to offer you something different, which I think is nice. The food isn't out of this world, but it is enjoyable and, like I said, much needed. We weren't hungry until mid-afternoon after having the breakfast, which helped with our food budgeting since we didn't have a meal plan. Make sure to check out our video last week where me and Johnny compare our Disneyland holidays. This includes comparing hotels and the dining options. It is worth noting that they do not allow bags in the breakfast area, as they know you are probably going to load them up with snacks for the day. We would. They do offer complimentary lockers for when you have your breakfasts, but they only offer these for an hour, so you won't be able to leave luggage in there whilst going to the parks. I shall come to where you can put your luggage in a few moments. Also complimentary is the shuttle bus, which takes you to the parks from the partner hotels. Sometimes the bus will visit all 5 partner hotels before heading to the parks, regardless of how full they are. Or sometimes we'll skip some hotels. B&B Hotel at Disneyland Paris is the first stop for these shuttle buses. You are quite likely to get on the bus and get a seat. These buses are quite frequent too, from about 20 minutes each bus. When you check into the hotel, they will give you a QR code that links you to live bus times, as well as the times being displayed on a screen in the lobby. When returning to the hotel, in January 2024, the stop for the buses was Bus Stop I. However, this could change, as it used to be Bus Stop Q. Just ask one of the attendants there. Be very aware, as there are pickpockets in this area. Also, people will barge in front of you to get on the bus and do not care about separating families. Check out our overview video for more on our experiences with that. However, if it is a nice day and your legs aren't too bad, the hotel is only about 25 to 30 minutes walk from Disney and fairly straightforward to get to. We will be staying next door to the B&B Hotel Disneyland Paris next year, so let us know if you want us to do a video just on how to get to Disneyland from the hotel, and we record one next year with a maps view too. Just before we give you an overall review of the hotel, let's talk about where you can store your luggage on your last day before heading home. Our flight wasn't until the evening, so wanted to have a wander around Disney Village and the Disney hotels before we left. We asked reception, who informed us on where to store our cases. So if you look at the front of the hotel, to the left is a small building, almost like a shed on its own. This is where the cases can be stored. However, they are not free. For a medium locker, it is €3 for 3 hours, €5 for 8 hours, €7 for 12 hours, or €9 for up to 24 hours. For a large locker, it is €5 for 3 hours, €7 for 8 hours, €9 for 12 hours, or €12 for up to 24 hours. Both lockers have an additional €1 for each additional hour. The storeroom is only open 6 AM to 1 AM too. We were only just able to squeeze our 2 large suitcases into a large locker. Also, the lockers do get stuck. I was going to film opening the lockers, but it was stuck. I had to go over and speak to reception. They were able to manually unlock it. He told me that the magnetic locks usually get stuck, so just keep that in mind. So finally, what was our overall thoughts of the hotel? For a cheap hotel, it actually wasn't that bad. The room was huge, but we lucked out there. The bed was very comfortable and there wasn't that much noise. The shower was a little temperamental with where the water was going to shoot off to, but we managed to tame it by day 2. There were plenty of sockets around, though one didn't work. Breakfast was decent, nothing to write home about, but nothing to complain about at all. The buses are a whole different story, but we have covered that in many videos, so make sure to go watch them. Also, we have heard stories that the staff are rude and nasty at the hotel, but every single member of staff there was lovely and friendly. We would definitely recommend staying here if you are on a budget, as you get loads for your money, and it is a nice stay. I would consider staying here again. But that is it now for our Disneyland Paris January 2024 vlog series. We have had so much fun, as well as lots of lows with the holiday too. We will be taking a few weeks off from doing Monday vlog videos now, but still have our Disney Plus videos every Thursday and other Disney videos on Saturdays. But we have got something very special planned this year, so keep an eye out for our next trip announcement video that will be out in a few weeks time. So hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, but until next time.